Say hello.
Hey.
Say hello. No, you're not.
Have you been drinking?
Hello.
Hey.
We're on a boat. We're on a boat. And take a tour of the boat.
Hi.
Oh, we caught a fish.
Really?
No. Going in the kitchen. You need anything from the fridge? We got
Yeah,
stuff.
actually I do have wines in there.
Oh, you want your wine?
On the left.
Top shelf on the left. I don't see anything. I see orange juice. Oh. It's not very cold. Should have put it in the freezer.